Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this voice effect on Instagram. So this is a filter. You have how many? Helium, you have Giant, you have Vocalist. Okay, this one Vocalist you can use a Vocalist, or this one Announcer you can use in place of reverb filter, because this reverb filter is now not available in Instagram. And last, Robot. Okay, to get this effect, what you have to do, let me go to main camera here. What you can do, just tap on this effect icon, then tap on search, and here search for voice effect. Okay, and you should see this filter. If you can't see the filter and access the filter from there, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the link to the effect. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. If you want to see how the voice work, okay, let's try. Okay, let's go with Helium.
Let's go with Helium. Let's
What's
go
the
with
sound?
Helium. Let's go with Helium. Let's go with Helium. Let's go with Helium. Let's go with.
Okay, let's go with Giant. Okay, let's see how's the Giant voice. Okay, let's see how's this one. Vocalist. Okay, let's see how's the vocalist voice. Okay, let's see how's the vocalist voice. Okay, now let's see announcer. Okay, now let's see announcer voice. How's the announcer voice?
Okay, now let's see announcer voice. How's the
Okay, now let's try the robot voice. How's the robot voice? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below. So which one you like? So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this voice effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.